Congratulations, you've mastered the ketogenic diet. You've lost weight, feel better, look fabulous, and are enjoying an abundance of energy. You've put a lot of effort into improving your health. So, what happens when you've reached your goal and it's time to abandon the keto diet? It's a hard fact that maintaining your weight loss can actually be more difficult than losing that weight in the first place. Returning to your old bad eating habits may be all too tempting. In addition, when you discontinue the keto diet, your metabolism is likely to slow down, making weight maintenance more difficult. You certainly don't want to lose momentum and return to the unhealthy all-American sugar and carbohydrate swamp with your lost weight returning. The options below are undoubtedly best at maintaining your current state of health. Consider your options before you stop the keto diet. Have a plan in place and know where you're going. Since the keto diet provides you with many options, it'll be easier to adjust to a maintenance style. Continue on the keto diet that's been successful for you, but consume more food. Not different high-carb foods, but the same foods you ate on the diet in somewhat larger quantities. You'll be eating more calories. This will allow you to eat more protein and fats, but keep the carbohydrate level low. Now, this can be a hit-and-miss process. Simply add more calories to your diet and see how your body reacts and adjust accordingly. This option ensures that carbohydrates are no longer running your life, as you won't suffer from the cravings you might have had when you started the keto diet. Shift from losing weight to gaining muscles. With the increasing energy you enjoy on the keto diet, you may wish to focus on improving your muscle tone. Many athletes are fans of the keto diet. This means retaining your low body fat but adding muscles and definition. Strong muscles help strengthen bone density and keep you strong as you age. The best way to gain strong muscles is to consume more calories in the form of lean proteins. This option is difficult to maintain unless you include a resistance training exercise program. Remain on low carb, but not on keto. When you use the keto diet to lose weight, your carbohydrate restrictions are fairly strict. You can still maintain your weight with a low carb diet, but not as rigid as keto. There are many healthy beans and legumes you can enjoy by adding a few more carbs to your diet. How much more carbs is very individual because every body is different. Add a few cups of beans, lentils, or another helping of carrots to your diet each week. See how your body reacts. If you continue to maintain your goal weight, you're right on track. Add 10 grams of carbohydrates a week until you are satisfied with the results. The advantage of this option is that it allows you to eat good, healthy foods that were off limits on the keto diet. Having a greater variety of foods from which to choose will make it easier to maintain your weight. If you find yourself gaining weight, simply cut down on the added carbs just a bit. Use intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting gives you additional options. Remember that fasting forces your body to burn fat. Here are some ways you can fast intermittently. Eat what you want for 5 days, then fast for 2 days. Eat 2 meals a day instead of 3, providing for a longer period where you are not consuming food. When you begin to embrace keto, you will be enjoying all the benefits of healthy eating. By continuing to consume fewer carbohydrates as a lifestyle, your body will remain sleek and strong. You will also be providing it with ammunition to ward off many chronic diseases.